In the xy plane, the graph of the equation above is a circle. Point P is on the circle and has coordinates 10, -5. If PQ is a diameter of the circle, what are the coordinates of point Q? So I think the quickest way to do this, you can graph this by hand, but since we have Desmos as a tool, let's go ahead and graph it in Desmos, and it's going to be really easy to see that you have a circle, you have a point here given as point P, and we're looking for the other endpoint of the diameter, and they're calling that point Q. So we're given this one already. This is the one we're going to be looking for. So let me make some space here so we can graph this. Let me see if I can paste. I've already graphed it. There we go. So this is that circle graphed in Desmos. Now you're seeing on this side here, this is the given point, 10, -5, and that means this would be the diameter of this circle, and we're looking for point Q. So just like that, if you graph this in Desmos, you can find the answer really easily, because that tells you the answer is A, 2, -5. Now, if you wanted to know how to do this question by hand, please leave me a comment in the comment section down below, and I'll be happy to make a video explaining how to do this by hand. And I hope this helps. Boom shakalaka.